I don't consider myself to be much of a hunter, but... And definitely not for squirrels. But this is Squirrel Stapler. It's, interactive hunting for some small game. Heard a lot about this. I like David Szymanski. He made Dusk, which is awesome. So, we're gonna give it a try. Okay, damn, that's a fucking strong start there. We came here to get away from it all, so that our love might blossom, but our love has not blossomed. Look at my beloved, the flies have made her ugly and rotten. I wish you were beautiful like the squirrels of the wood. And so I will cover her in the squirrels of the wood. This is my wife? She's missing a head, and she's just, like, stuck to the wall. Relationship goals, honestly, on God. So, this game is called Squirrel Stapler. I'm sure it's kind of obvious what you do in this game. I'm pretty sure you just staple squirrels to your dead wife. Book of the Grove, chapter 4, verse 1. Saith the goat of the wood, thou shalt not staple squirrels. Well, shit. I'm gonna do it anyways. In 5 days, God is coming. I don't know what the fuck that means. Like, multiple things have just been thrown at me. I can't really accept that God is coming. I haven't done anything wrong yet, but... Hey, we'll see him. Oh, cool. It is time to hunt the squirrels. So this is an actual hunting game. It's like a bargain bin one. Use the map, default tab to orient yourself. Come back tomorrow for another tip. Okay. Good tip of the day. Oh, wow. Oh, shit. I hate it when games fucking use tab, because then I accidentally... Stop it! Okay, I can't do it while running, I guess. I'm not even holding down shift, but whatever. Poison grass did not eat. Oh, cool. Free squirrel. Free squirrel for me, staple to my wife. 98 squirrel hunting tips. You can run default shift while standing or crouching, but be careful, it's louder. Stay low to hide in the foliage and creep quietly. Use patches of grass to hide. Use your ears. You can usually hear squirrels chattering and moving before you can see them. Your rifle is equipped with a scope. Use it to bag varmints at a long range. Okay. Oh. Shot that fucker. Come here, squirrel. I'll just take that shit. Hey, squirrel bitch. Oh, god damn, they're fucking fast. On, squirrel. I'm gonna make you beautiful. It's gonna let me shoot you. Son of a bitch. Oh, I gotta reload. Yeah, that's right. Yoink. Squirrel fact. Squirrels can sometimes run at speeds of up to 20 miles per hour. Oh, cool, okay. Is this beer? Beer! Oh, double speed? Holy shit, I'm flying! Why did I drink this? This was just an energy drink sitting in the middle of the fucking forest. Could have been laced. Actually, it probably was. I don't think I'd be moving like this if I wasn't laced. Squirrel fact. Squirrels can eat their body weight in food every week. Yeah, they are really small. Oh shit, I found one. Fucking squirrel. There's another one over there. My wife is gonna love these. Come here, boy. Squirrel fact. Squirrels can survive a fall of as much as 30 feet and can jump up to 20 feet. Can they actually? Pretty big ass drop. Could I 30 feet? Probably could. I can take it. The Lady Part 1. There once was a lonely artist who lived by himself in the woods. Desiring to ease his loneliness, he Fuck me. Desiring to ease his loneliness, he purchased... No, wait.
Desiring to ease his loneliness, he saved his meager earnings and purchased a fine paintbrush crafted from the hair of a beautiful woman. The artist loved his paintbrush so much that he used it to paint the face of the woman who had given her hair for its creation, as he imagined she must look. He was then informed that due to a terrible mix-up, the hair had actually come from a wild boar.
Yeah, alright, this is fucking hunting, alright. Just like I remember it. I say, motherfucker, right there. What sound your gun make? What sound your gun make? I should never be allowed to hunt. Squirrel fact. Squirrels have 4 sharp toes on their front feet for climbing and 2Ds, 5 toes on their back feet. That's cool. How to go back home? Go see the wifey, check how she's doing. I wonder what she made for dinner. Hunting for squirrels to staple to my wife. Hunting for squirrels, gonna staple them to my wife. Because that dirty bitch deserves it. Ooh. She made a plate of fucking nothing. Okay. See, this is why I have to kill you and staple squirrels to you. Don't know how to make me some fucking food? Got a long day of hunting? What do you think about that, babe? 5 whole squirrels. I can count that on one hand. Alright, I'll see you tomorrow, baby. You are sleeping. Yeah, I guess I am, yeah. How you doing? Hanging in there? Yeah, okay, moving on.
Book of the Grove, chapter 4, verse 2. For the mighty tale is an all-righteous in the All-Mother's sight, and the chattering voice divine. Should that which is divine be adhered to that which is not divine? By no means!
Okay, nerd. Today I must hunt the big squirrel. Works for me. Hunting squirrels. There's the big squirrel. Headshot! Holy shit! That's a big ass fucking squirrel. I don't think they come this big. I'm just gonna be real. I don't think they come this big. Just fucking add them to my inventory. That's cool. I'm pretty disoriented, to be honest. I have no fucking clue where I'm going at all times. The fuck was that? My ancestors are so fucking disappointed. Like, oh, you pussy! You pussy! I don't know what the fuck that sound was. You're telling me there's no running water out here? I can't go.
The Lady Part 2. The artist was inconsolable and spent his days weeping and taking his portrait on long walks in the rain.
I don't think that is a good idea. I think the oil is going to run on that. That's a pretty good story so far. I'll check it out. Squirrel blind. I can fucking tell what it is. What? 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 Hold up. I swear to fucking God, my wife just talked to me. What the fuck? Something said come back. Oh, ghost squirrel! Ghost squirrel! Ghost squirrel! What the fuck? It's supposed to be a hunting game. What the fuck? I actually wasn't expecting that. Squirrel fact. Squirrels cannot burp, vomit, or experience heartburn. Actually, it sounds like being a squirrel isn't that bad. Just sit around eating nuts all day. Sounds real. I'm taking that comment back. Hi there. Vengeful ghost squirrel. This isn't gonna fucking work. Squirrels, please! My wife demands squirrels. I need to staple you to her. I'm sure you understand. I'm coming for you, squirrels. Prepare yourselves. Every day you can commit sins at the Shady Shack to boost your score. Committing sins. What the fuck? The Shady Shack. This place is fucking... What? Report 2. Small abnormal readings still occurring with odd regularity. Recalibrating always fixes them, but they come back the next day. I also keep finding dead squirrels outside the door. Looks like maybe an animal is leaving them, but I'm not noting it as per my instructions. No, they're just vengeful. God damn it, please, squirrels! I just need to shoot one of you. There's a fucking spirit. Sorry, bitch. Can't fuck with me. I'm married. Where? Come on out, squirrels. No, you wanna. No, you wanna get shot and stapled to my wife. And you know you do. Come on out. Yes. Put you in my pocket, yoink. This is the hunting spot right here. This is the spot. This is the squirrel spot. They don't want you to know about this spot. This is a secret spot. Right here on the map. This is a secret spot. Guaranteed to give squirrels. You don't even know. Bitch. Stupid fucking squirrel. That's right, bitch. Maybe I should just walk on, like, the path, like the designated path that you're supposed to walk on, rather than just forcing myself into, like, some little fucking crevice in the middle of the forest. That's a really good idea, actually. What the fuck? I've been here. I think... Oh! Fuck me, dude. Jesus Christ. Squirrel fact, though, squirrels mostly eat nuts, seeds, and fruit. They've been known to eat insects, bird eggs, and even animal carcasses. Well, you know. You gotta eat what you gotta eat, I mean. Okay, back home. Still no fucking dinner, though. I'm really hungry. Now that I'm home, time to staple some squirrels to my wife and then hop on the computer for some Fortnite. I don't want squirrels. I want skin. Give me back my skin. Or give me yours instead. Is that my wife? How the fuck did you write this? How did you write this? I would like to know how. And also, no. Yeah, you're getting fucking stapled, bitch. How you doing, wife? Give me a nice little kiss before I go off to work.
Book of the Grove, chapter 4, verse 3. Rather, like the righteous squirrel, the wise man stores his nuts for the proper time, but the faithless man has no nuts to store.
You just saying he has no balls? Something was scratching on the windows last night. I should look for tracks. These are not normal squirrel tracks. Something out there is hunting me. I think I deserve to be hunted, honestly. I'm kind of an asshole. Oh, shit. Just open fucking Spotify. Goddamn, I'm opening every single window on my computer. I just can't not play a game without doing that. Now I hurt my hand because I slammed it onto my desk. Not fair. I am the hunter. Hunter of squirrels. I hunt fucking squirrels. There's nothing else. I do not hunt anything else. I hunt squirrels. And then I eat the squirrels. I go nom 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 nom. Squirrel stew. Squirrel on a stick. I feel like that's an actual food from like Fallout. Fucking idiot squirrel. Flew right past me. This is what I live for. Man versus squirrel. The two of us pitted together. I found it. The big squirrel. Headshot! Duel of the fates. Hunter and the hunted. No! I'm not listening to you, wife. I'm not listening to you. Trying to hunt. Shut the fuck up. Squirrel fact. Squirrels can regenerate lost limbs, although it'll take a few years to do so. Hi there, bud. I don't know what a double squirrel is, but I guess it just gives me 2 squirrels. Now you tell me a double squirrel is just 2 squirrels put together? That's really stupid. Alright, but now I've hunted all I need, and I just keep on hearing sounds, and it's freaking me out. So stop doing that. Stop doing sounds. I just want to check some stuff out. I want to check out the stories. I'm not gonna shoot any more squirrels. Why do I hear breathing? Oh, okay, okay. Uh-oh. Two! Oh, there's more! I'm not safe out here. There's fucking squirrel pairs. Holy shit, what the fuck? They just explode on you? Oh, whoa. Whoa. You know what I mean. Whoa. They literally explode on you.
The lady, part 3. As blood poured from the bottom of her torso. Pennies. Wiener. She pointed to an axe mounted on the wall. Return tomorrow for part 4.
Cool. Hunting for squirrels. Report 3, there's something in the woods here that we didn't expect. I keep finding tracks, and I hear it at night moving through the foliage and scratching on the concrete. And in the morning, there are squirrels outside the door with their limbs all pulled off and their heads twisted around. Dozens of them, requesting a call for instructions on how to proceed. Did you see how fast I read that? I did a really good job there, didn't I? Oh, yes, perfect. After that fucking bear squirrel exploded on me. It actually exploded on me. That's not a weird thing. You watched it. You watched it happen. Why am I explaining it? You watched it happen. I'm glad I got health back. That's what I mean. That's all I'm saying. All I'm saying is I'm glad I got health back. Because a bear squirrel exploded on me. Squirrel fact, squirrels have urine release valves under their eyes and urinate onto each other's faces to communicate. That's not real. That's not true. That's not. Squirrels do not pee on themselves to communicate. There's no way. From their eyes? There's no way that's true.
Hey, how you doing, man?
No, oh. No, oh, dude, fuck off. I'm almost home. We're back home. Oh, there's actually something tough here this time. Oh, my wife sat down for dinner. Here's some squirrels, babe. I know you didn't make anything, but, you know, we haven't really had a sit down for a while, and, well, I was just wondering, you know, I could make something. I could throw something together. Some squirrel stew, maybe? Seems that all we have to eat here is fucking squirrels! I killed a couple bear squirrels, or one of them exploded on me. You know, it's fine if she wants to get up and move around. That's cool. I'm just sleeping. This house fucking sucks. I couldn't plug anything up.
Book of the Grove, chapter 4, verse 4. In this way the squirrel is good, and the lobster is bad. Therefore squirrels may die, so that squirrels may live. And just as lobsters live, so that lobsters may die.
I don't know where lobsters come in here. You know what? That's cool. Stupid squirrel eating poison grass. Alright, now I know that there are threats in this forest with me. Gotta be vigilant, gotta be on guard. Squirrel fact. Squirrel are always watching. Jesus Christ. I am not alone. It's on me! It's on me! It's on me! Fuck! Squirrel fact, squirrels can depone a human male in under 3 hours. I'm a human male! Oh boy! That's such a fun fact. I'm so glad I know that. Don't kill me, please. I'm just playing around. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Ah, you can't fucking get in here, can you? Stupid idiot. Oh, maybe you can. You can. Oh, fuck. Oh. Okay. Whatever. Anyways, let's read the story, boys.
The Lady Part 4. The artist lifted his axe, tears streaming down his face. Again, the axe came down, and again, and again, and again. Until she screamed no more.
God fucking damn it, I can't... Every time I'm just whispering, you hear like... Cup it. Fucking idiot. Yoink. Shit. Okay, okay. Just need one more. This fucking double squirrel is so weird. It's literally just two squirrels stuck together. I actually really like squirrels. So whenever I say that, I'm like fucking mean. Just know I actually do really like squirrels. Nothing against them. Just a hunter right now. I'm in the hunting state of mind. As you can see, I'm doing a great fucking job. Good man. Report number 4. It's in the walls now, in the concrete, looking for my brain. I can't find it because my brain is inside my skull, but it will. It will peel away skin and bone to get inside. When my brain is taken, I will come for you. I will break you open. I will take yours instead. I'm in the shadows now. I am seeing you cower. You are already stretched apart into pieces. Your head is already twisted off the spine. Come back tomorrow for another report. Wow, that's charming. Squirrel fact, squirrels are capable of hating you. It's not nice. Aw, look at you. You put yourself back up on the wall all by yourself. Good job. That's a lot of fucking squirrels.
Book of the Grove, chapter 4, verse 5. And I say unto you, in those final days the grooves will bend in agonized worship or groves, and the nutless man will be judged with his own industrial penetration and godless attention.
Adhesion. What is wrong with me? I can't even say that word.
So the stapler will become the stapled.
Does that mean me? God is coming today. God is coming today? Oh boy! God is coming today! I'm gonna see God! Hello! Oh shit! God damn it! It's not fucking fair! Squirrel fact. There are more squirrels than you have bullets, and you have made her very, very angry. Well? Fuck! Just to be real, fuck, that's all I gotta say. That's some real shit right there. I don't know what to do. Where the fuck are you gonna go? Where are you gonna go? Where are you gonna go, huh? Big squirrel. Gotta lock in here, gotta lock in here. Holy fuck, I actually killed one. And I'm out of bullets. God fucking damn it, I gotta remember not to keep doing that. Go read.
The Lady Part 5. Wiener. And so they made a stew from the remains. But it was poison, and they both died. Art will eventually destroy the artist. The end.
God damn it. Stupid ass ending. Wiener. Oh my god, I'm such a fucking good hunter. Report 5. Please disregard previous reports. Everything is quiet. Just fucking censored that guy. Where's the one shack place? Around here? Oh shit. God damn it. Oh shit. I was doing so fucking well. That one actually scared the shit out of me. Oh yeah, there it is. Time for some debauchery. Woo! Gotta commit some sins for a sec. Cool. Every day, yeah. Come on, you know you wanna. Yeah, I'm not even gonna let that fucker hit me. And there we go. Almost. Go, wait, God is coming in 2 minutes? God is coming? What? Home. Where's home? I can't stay. Oh, shit. So I've just got a minute. I've just got a minute of waiting around until God gets here. What the fuck? Please, God. Please. You're a good guy, right? God's a good guy, right? I'm a good guy. I'm just a hunter. I used it. I used the shit that you gave me. I used it for good stuff. Please. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Okay. God, I'm ready. Straighten my tie. God is here! Where is God? at me, God! Come at me, God! I'm ready for you! That scared the shit out of me. God damn it!